Hey travelers, welcome back to another video. Today, dearest Kaylee, Noah, and I are going to explore 3 waterfalls at Glen Park in River Falls, Wisconsin. So let's go and explore. Well, there is our waterfall. You can see right there, right through there, that's seriously the level of the river. Never been over here before, but I've seen pictures of this dam and it's actually really pretty. If you guys are curious to see Kaylee's point of view and her pictures from today, make sure to check out her video. The link will be down in the description if you guys are curious. There are so many fallen trees here. They had seriously had a bad windstorm. And this is the only good, decent flow at this location. So let's hopefully get some good pictures. I love it when you can look at see through the water. It is so pretty. Reminds me of Glen Park. Not all the pictures that I took today will be on this video. So if you guys are curious to see all the pictures that I did take, then check out my Flickr. I'll have the link for that in the description if you guys are curious as to what kind of pictures I took. Kaylee and I are over here taking pictures of the waterfall with the flowers, and the guys are over there sitting on that pipe on their phones. If you guys are interested to learn more about this park, then check out the description. I have information about how long the drive is, best places to go around here for like restaurants or other parks, and also just information about falls in general that I didn't add to this video because sometimes I'm out, I completely forget to add some things in the video that I wanted to, so I add those to the description. So this is the end of today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the pictures and the video and seeing these two again. And until next time, see ya.
Bye.